Good morning, you guys. Happy Friday. What it do, boo? You guys, I am headed to work. I want to start out by saying, definitely, I know I haven't been on here in like, a month since I did my last haul. But you guys, I am so kind of like torn in between, what it is that you guys want. I don't know. So, that's why I kind of been reluctant. I don't want to do what everybody is doing on YouTube. You know what I mean? I want to be so consistent and put out videos all the time or as much as I can. But I don't want to put what everybody is putting. I do want to put what I think that you guys would want to see and kind of what I do. You know what I mean? And I'm not like a mad busy person. So it's not like I have a lot going on anyway. I see that you guys take to a lot of the clothing haul, and that's cool too, you know what I'm saying? But it's not like I'm sitting on money somewhere and I'm just shopping all the time, because I'm not shopping all the time either. But I have picked up a few things here and there. I guess I'll do a haul on that and show you guys a couple of things that I picked up. And here and there I have started videos and then stopped because, I don't know, I get so caught up and wrapped up and I don't pick the camera back up to continue vlogging, you know what I mean, or recording. So maybe give me some suggestions of what you think that you may want to see. Again, today is Friday. It's April, I think 26th, I think it is. I'm headed to work, but actually right now I think I'm getting ready to go by Starbucks and get me a coffee and probably a sandwich or something like that, because I didn't cook anything this morning for breakfast. So you guys, you know what I'm saying? I was thinking I may be doing some day in the lives or something, but those aren't really that busy either. If you're just now watching my channel, my name is Tiffany. I'm a single mom. I only have one kid. She's 18. She's in college. She's completed. In about 2 weeks, she'll be done completing her 2 weeks, not 2 weeks, her 1 year, her freshman year of college. I go pick her up next month. She'll be home for a while, for too long. But yeah, she'll be home, and then she'll be completing her second year, which she'll be a sophomore then in college. But I don't want to just be on here just rambling, you guys, because y'all won't watch it if it's that long and I ain't talking about nothing, which I'm not. But maybe throw me out some suggestions and some ideas of what you may want to see. I don't do a lot of cooking anymore because it's just me. Grocery hauls, I was doing those. I don't hardly grocery shop that much because it's just me. I don't know. Maybe day in the life. I don't know. I really don't know, which is why, like I said, I'm so torn and I haven't been on, because I don't know what you guys want. So leave me some comments, suggestions down below, and tell me what it is that you guys want to see, and I'll do my best to deliver. Alright, you guys, I'll check in back with you later. Hopefully after this video I will have like a Walmart, and I think I picked up some stuff from Walmart and Ross. I know Walmart, and I think it is Ross. And I'll have those things up here shortly, so that you can see those. Alright, you guys, y'all have a blessed day, and happy Friday again to you.